Hello, children! Welcome to Kids Torah Time. And this week, Parshat VAETCHANAN.
Shashi, what are you today?
I'm a prayer.
And why do you have a number on your head?
Oh, didn't you know? Every prayer has a number.
Moshe really wanted to go into the land of Israel with Bnei Israel.
Moshe prayed 515 prayers.
When Moshe hit the stone for water instead of talking to it, as Hashem commanded, he was punished not to enter the land of Israel. But Moshe knew the tremendous power of prayer. He knew that with the right number of prayers, he can change Hashem's decree.
And Hashem said, stop, because he didn't want him to go into Israel, but he knew if he will have 516, he will have to let him in.
Shashi, if Hashem knew that he doesn't want Moshe to enter the land of Israel, why did he let him pray 515 prayers? Why didn't he stop him after the second prayer?
To answer this, I have to tell you a little story. One day, our grandson asked us, "How big is Hashem?" I showed him an aeroplane in the sky and asked him, "How big is this aeroplane?"
It looks so small, I hardly can see him.
We are on the way to the airport now.
Wow, Shashi Sababa, this is huge!
You see, like the aeroplane,
The closer you are to him, the bigger he is. And so is Hashem. The closer we are to Hashem, the bigger he is in our life.
this is the reason why Hashem let Moshe pray so many prayers. Because he loved him, and prayer is one of the ways to get closer to Hashem. And Hashem, like a father, likes to be close to his children, so he let him pray. Another reason Moshe prayed so many prayers is because
By davening, by praying so many prayers, Moshe paved the way so the prayer of everybody can be accepted. He did the hard job with the 515 prayers.
My prayers too? Mine too? Me too?
yes, children, all prayers are accepted. No praying is in vain. Remember,
Every prayer has a number, but we don't know the number. That's why we have to continue to pray all the time.
if we didn't get to the right number, the prayers are being saved for us for future use. At this time, let's all pray together to bring Mashiach now.
Shabbat Shalom!
Love you.
Mwah.